Hello and welcome to Menards. My name is Curtis John Baptiste. I'm here with Luke, who's one of the store managers. He's been one of the great assets to contractors and Menards. He's very knowledgeable about products. So when I get stuck, I come over and ask Luke to give me a hand. Luke, tell me a little bit about you.
Well, I'm Luke. I've been with Menards for about 16 years now. I appreciate the services and the business from Curtis here, from this company, and it's always a pleasure to work with local contractors. And he's a great asset and works well with our guests as well.
Well, we appreciate that. We appreciate Menards allowing contractors to come out on Contractors Day and show customers what we do. So we have some quite a few samples of the type of quality we like to produce for customers, and as well as let them know that you can buy something at Menards for $1, but you can also buy something here for $50,000. So when you need that shed, don't hesitate. When you need that garage, don't hesitate. When you need to raise that house, don't hesitate. We do dormers. And we make your business or your home exceptional. 708-510-5678. It's a wrap.